Hi friends, welcome back to Cuckoo's Nest.
¡Viva, viva, señor Santo Niño! ¡Viva, viva, señor Santo Niño! ¡Viva, viva, señor Santo Niño! Music, please, music. Bago muna tayo umalis, meron pong pakunting merienda na galing sa Filipino community. To acknowledge the different tribes and the different contributors and committees of this Dinagyang Festival 2026, may we call on Sister Josephine Abina.
Mayadayan yagawon katong tanan! Viva Pin Senior! Sa ngalan ng Filipino community, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made the Dinagyang 2028 a meaningful, joyful, and faith-filled celebration. First and foremost, we thank, of course, the Almighty God for the gift of life, unity, and culture that brings us together today. This celebration is not only about dance, colors, but about faith, gratitude, and shared identity as a Filipino. Our sincerest appreciation to our spiritual leaders, especially to Father Stephen, Father Jesse, of course, our for the Parish Council, Brother Michael, and the rest. Thank you for, of course,